Hey, welcome back to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben, and today I'm going to show you how I made this. Double smoked ham, just in time for Easter. Don't forget, hashtag Vortex. We're giving one away every Saturday from here till April 6th. Just comment hashtag Vortex. I'll pick a winner. It'll be in Saturday's video. It's got to be a US resident, and there's rules in the description. So Easter's right around the corner. Instead of just buying a ham right from the store and cooking it in your oven, this time we'll have the Vortex set in with a 2x1 snake all the way around it. We'll take the ham, we'll do a nice crosshatch, then we'll season it with Killer Hogs hot barbecue rub. That'll get all nice down inside the crosshatch. It'll add a nice sweet and a little bit of a kick. Once it gets up to 120 degrees, we're going to glaze it on the outside with the vinegar sauce. It's really good. It's got a little bit of kick. It'll offset the sweetness. It's really, really good, and it puts a nice sheen on the outside. It'll look beautiful. So the first thing I like to do is with the ham is I score it. That'll open up while we're cooking. Now, mustard. Use mustard as a binder. We use Killer Hogs hot barbecue rub. All right, now we can throw it out on the Weber. I got a 2x1 snake with the Vortex in the middle with the pan in there to help disperse the air. There's cherry wood for smoke. Now I put our ham in a pan, the ham in a pan. The pan's gonna help the bottom from drying out. As the fat renders out of it, it'll help keep it moist. And the pan also makes it easy to move. So with the smoke rolling, we're gonna keep it around 275 degrees. I'm gonna put the vent over here, and we'll check on this in an hour, and we will adjust from there. I'm gonna take this vinegar sauce, add it to a pot. We're gonna heat that up. That's what we're gonna be glazing the ham with. Now we're outside. The ham's looking pretty good here. We're at 120 degrees internal. We're gonna go to 140. Now we'll start glazing it. We got 20 degrees to go. All right, now it's at 140 degrees. It looks beautiful. We'll hit it with a little bit more sauce, and then we'll take it out of the pan. You can see all that drippings that were in the pan that would have been all over the grill. We'll set this right back on the grates, let the bottom dry up a little bit. Then we'll let that barbecue sauce we just put on there tack right back up, and then we'll bring it in and we can slice it. All right, we just brought it in, and this thing looks amazing. Look at that. I mean, that looks good. Can't wait to try it. This thing's gonna be really sticky, so I'm putting a pair of gloves on. What I like to do is I'll just take it and go just like a spiral ham. Then we can just peel a couple pieces off. Look at that. Look at that. That looks awesome. Smoky. It's got a good amount of smoke on it. It's really... You got a little bit of a kick from the barbecue rub on it. The vinegar sauce really sets it off. It's really good. It's sticky, sweet. So it's way different than what you're used to. I mean, this isn't a traditional holiday ham that you do. You know, grandma might be mad, but this is really good. You got to change it up sometimes, you know? All right, that's our video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We have more videos coming out every week. Go to crackscountrycooking.com. I got recipes, seasonings, rubs, Vortex rubber gloves with the cotton liners so you don't burn your hands. Don't forget, use my affiliate link in the description. Help support my channel. Really appreciate it. All right, see ya. It's dinner time. That's fine. You already ruined it. Come in. I am filming though right now, so you know, copyright me with that.
Okay.